Yo! Dude, are you okay?
Oh, my hand. What happened?
I don't know, man. I think you got electrocuted. I think that's electrical fence, dude.
Oh, my hand feels... I think I can move my fingers like 1,000,000 miles an hour right now.
Oh, dude. Maybe you're lucky to get some superpowers from that. Your hand looks messed up, man. You should just get back in my house. We can clean you up. You okay, dude?
Hey, thanks for letting me wash up here.
Welcome. This is my place.
Oh, nice.
Good.
Whoa.
Nothing special.
Man, can I play? I always wanted to be able to play one of these.
You can play that one. This is like a special guitar. I've never touched this.
No one? You've never let anyone
The fact that
play
you picked that up is just like...
Alright. I'll give this thing a shot. Screw around. I don't know how to play, but...
Hey, go for it, dude. No, we got that.
Alright. Shark! Hey! 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 Yeah. All right, I'll be right out.